Hello, you welcome back to my channel. If you know me, I seek to make your life better and simple and sweet. Today, guess what I have for you? I am bringing to you five important tips plus one. You know me, I love to give bonus. So today, I'm bringing you five important habits that could save your relationships and your love life. Bet me on this. I am Neko Yelfo. For those of you who don't know me, I am Neko Yelfo and I love to share. And that's why I'm here to share with you that which will change your life forever. So today, let's look at habits that could improve our relationships and our love life. Number one is visit your loved ones often, especially if you stay far away from them. Visit often. This has a way to keep you healthy, emotionally. Because there's something about this heart when it mingles with loved ones, you can imagine the kind of atmosphere you will be right in. So always visit your loved ones often. They will appreciate it and you'll be better for it. And the second tip that I have for you today is always ask someone new out on a date. For example, you know, you just got a new colleague. There's someone that told me something very fantastic that I didn't even realize about myself. He said one of the people that made him feel comfortable in the team was me, and I didn't even realize it. He said because I called his name moments after he's been inducted in the system. And I said, wow. And I asked him some personal questions that no one has ever done that. You can actually do the same. You can call them out, ask them things, engage them, make people feel loved because that's the only way to really get to improve your relationships. People want to feel loved, right? My third tip for you to improve your relationship is practice self love and acceptance. You see, people want to see you happy. They want to see you treat yourself lovingly. And if you don't do that for yourself, it will be difficult for them to really do it for you. So you teach people how to treat you by the way you treat yourself. So learn to love yourself, take good care of yourself. And let me tell you, the more attractive you get, the more appreciative they will appreciate it. So take good care of yourself. And my fourth tip for you here is compliment the people in your life. When you see that colleague of yours and she's looking good, don't say, oh, she's looking better than me. I don't want to compliment her. Better do it. Say, you look good, good girl. You look good, guy. Oh, I love your haircut. Oh, I love your hairdo. Oh, your shoes are fantastic. You see, you learn how to compliment people. This makes you feel good too. And let me tell you, that compliment is an investment in that account. So learn how to do it and do it lavishly. Yes, the more you do it, the more they will appreciate it and the more your relationship improves. So the fourth tip that I have for you here is set up weekly date. Set up weekly dates. Maybe it's with your relationship or with your better half, but learn how to do it. Spice things up. You don't leave things to die. Maybe you're waiting for her birthday or his birthday to go out together. No, try to do it weekly. And if weekly doesn't work out, at least monthly should work out. Learn how to spice things up. Create time for your significant loved ones, and you'll see to improve that relationship with that person. Honestly, this is what I've learned and this is what has worked for me, and I think it's gonna work for you too. And my last tip for you, which is always the bonus, sorry, the bonus is real. Guess what that bonus is? Reach out to someone you haven't talked to in a while just to see how they're doing. My uncle of many years. I haven't seen this guy for a long time, and I'm not exaggerating. Over 10 years, I haven't seen my favorite uncle. You see, and he doesn't feel that he should call me, although he's the senior. So, what should I do? Once in a while, I take up my phone and I call. I reach out. I want to ask, how are your children doing? How is your wife doing? Even though the wife doesn't send me. I'm training myself to check out on them. So this relationship matters to me. My uncle matters to me. So I called to check on him and all that matters to him. So these are the ways that you could actually improve your relationship with the people in your life. Hmm? Their habits. So incorporate them. So I look forward to your comments. And I decided to have fun on this day. And that's why you see me sounding the way that I do. So let me hear your comments. Let me know which of them you're going to be adding to your plate to improve your relationship. Remember, life is about relationship. So make the effort to improve yours. And if you're here to subscribe to my channel, let us start a relationship. Subscribe now.